Hello everyone, today we have new video review and this time we're gonna check kit from IBG Models. As usual, you can find full review article link here in the video description below. Just click it and you will be able to read it and check detailed photos. As you can see, today's kit is a diamond truck with asphalt tank and it's modeled in 1/72 scale. We have this nice box art here. Here you can see even Mustang and here as well. So box is not that big. Here you can see comparison with my hand. On the side we have safety information and also short history note here. This is top opening box and as you can see there is plenty of space. All plastic screws are packed into the sealed plastic bags as far as you can see. So in total we have 1, 2, 3 plastic screws, decal sheet, transparent film and assembly manual. So let's start from the plastic screws and then gradually we will move to other interesting parts of this plastic kit. So first kit, as far as first plastic screw, as far as you can see, this is dedicated to the external parts. These are not that big. Don't forget that this is a 72nd scale model kit. So here it is. We have tank parts, we have platform parts, some external elements, minor parts, big parts. As you can see, molding quality is quite good. Attachment points are not thick, so it should be easy to separate them. Note that wheel arches are molded like this as one-piece elements, so be ready to carefully cut them off the frame. Next we have two plastic screws which are packed into the same plastic bag. Just give me a second to open it. Actually, it's quite interesting that out of these 3 plastic screws we will be able to assemble whole truck. But I mean, maybe the parts division is so detailed that we have a lot of parts separated on the separate sprue. So here we have some cap parts. Here you can see them, mainframe parts which are molded together with suspension leaves. Also here is a tiny steering wheel, cooling fan for the engine, and another nice bonus is plastic wheels, of course, because plastic wheels should be easier to assemble, easier to paint and easier to weather. So as a result you will get a more realistic vehicle, I would say. Another plastic sprue. This one carries approximately the same plastic parts, so nothing special in a good sense, I would say. Next we have small plastic bag with decals and transparent film. Just give me a second to open it. As far as you can see, decals are printed by IBG Models themselves. And transparent film, as you can guess, will be used for windscreen and like whole cab glassing. So I will zoom camera. Printing quality on decals is quite nice, as you can see. I can even flip it like this. So even tiny symbols are carefully printed on the sheet. And of course, those thin film parts should look more realistic, more up to scale on the 72nd scale vehicle. Next we have assembly manual. This one is printed in form of this brochure. It's printed in black and white style. Here we have parts map. Again parts map, another one, and assembly process is explained with help of those 3D images. So as you can see, it starts with cap, then we continue with mainframe, and in total you will have to perform 24 steps in order to get this nice truck. On the back we have marking option. I guess that's only one marking option which is included. It's vehicle from Belgium. So it will be quite interesting to assemble it and replicate it in 72nd scale, of course. So that's all for this video review. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section below. And also in video description you can find direct link for the review of this kit. If you want to help us, just press the like button or subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get fresh videos on time. Thank you for watching and I will see you as usual in the next video. Bye!